In this video, I will show you how to prevent users from deleting printers in Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows device. So you need to go ahead and use Group Policy Editor. So this disables the remove button and blocks deletion via control panel. So go ahead and click on WinR on your keyboard, and then the Run section will pop on your screen. So in here, you need to enter gpedit.msc and then hit on enter. Now, from there, you need to go ahead and navigate to user configuration, head over to administrative templates, head over to control panel, and then head over to printers. Double click prevent deletion of printers and then select enabled. Then click apply and OK. Restart the system or run gp update/force in command prompt to apply changes. If users try to delete a printer, they'll see an error or restriction message. And that is how you can basically prevent users from deleting printers in Windows 11.